The Encounter in the Forest. Little Red Riding Hood was walking through the forest, carrying a basket of delicious treats. She was on her way to visit her grandmother who lived in a small cabin in the woods. Little Red Riding Hood suddenly encountered a cute little squirrel. Little Red Riding Hood said, "Hello, squirrel friend. What are you busy with?" The squirrel replied, "I'm busy gathering food for the winter. Would you like to help me?" Little Red Riding Hood smiled and said, "I'm sorry, but I need to go see my grandmother now, but I'll come back and help you later." The squirrel said happily, "That's great. I'll wait for you." Little Red Riding Hood continued on her way and suddenly saw a rabbit eating grass. Little Red Riding Hood said, "Hello, rabbit friend. The grass you're eating looks delicious." The rabbit replied, "Yes, this patch of grass is really tasty. Would you like to try some?" Little Red Riding Hood said, "Thank you for the invitation, but I need to go see my grandmother now. I'll come back and eat some grass with you later, okay?" The rabbit nodded and said, "Okay, I'll wait for you here." Little Red Riding Hood continued on her way and suddenly heard the sound of birds singing. Little Red Riding Hood said, "Hello, little bird friend. What song are you singing?" The bird replied, "I'm singing a lullaby for my family. Would you like to listen?" Little Red Riding Hood said, "Yes, I really enjoy your singing. I'll come back and listen again when I return, okay?" The bird said happily, "Okay, I'll be here singing and waiting for you." Little Red Riding Hood continued on her way and finally reached her grandmother's house. She shared the treats with her grandmother and they had a pleasant conversation. On her way home, she looked forward to the next time she could encounter her animal friends in the forest.